Oh, hi there. Steve Stax of Stax, Meghan and Loop. I'm just here in the Jack 1023 Sound Forge, getting all ready with a new crop of sounds for Monday morning. What's that sound? Returns with our friends at Beck Hearing Aid Center. You could be winning some great cash. You know, if you get the sound right off the hop, $500, and it goes up by 100 every time somebody doesn't get it right. So just past 7 o'clock, beginning on Monday morning with Beck Hearing Aid Center, it's the return of What's That Sound? Now, if you'll excuse me, I got to get back to some very sensitive sounding here, so we'll talk to you later. No, seriously, beat it.